Hi and good morning everyone. Today we will be presenting about analyzing and synthesizing data for the subject of DKN50032 Communicative English 3. Before we begin our presentation, I would like to introduce me myself and my partner as a group of two. My name is Reni Sinjingwen.
And my name is Noor Kamal Kisina binti Nur Azman.
So, what does analyzing and synthesizing data mean? Well, analyzing data means we carefully examine information to identify patterns, trends, and important details. For example, when we look at a graph, we try to understand what the data is showing. On the other hand, synthesizing data means combining information from different sources to create a clear and meaningful summary. In data analysis, both of these skills are very important because they help us to understand information better and present it in a more organized way. Overall, analyzing helps us break down the data, while synthesizing helps us bring the information together in a clear explanation. Now, let's move on to the next part of the presentation.
Now we'll introduce to you about graph and chart. First, firstly we have bar graph. A bar graph is used to compare different categories of data. It shows difference in value using rectangular bars. Each bar represents a specific category and its quantity. Lastly, we have pie chart. A pie chart shows a data in percentage or proportions. It is divided into segments where each segment represents a part of the whole.
Last but not least, a line graph is used to show changes over time. It connects data points using lines to display trends and patterns. Also, line graph shows overall trends such as increase, decrease, or stability. These trends help to understand how data changes over a period of time. Specific changes in line graph can be described using different degrees, such as slightly, gradually, or significantly. This provides a clearer explanation of data movement. As you can see from the bar graph, this bar graph shows the eating out preference for the top 10 types of cuisine. The title of the graph is Eating Out Preference Top 10 Cuisine. The graph also includes different types of cuisine as the categories and the number of preference as the values, allowing easy comparison of their popularity. The variables in the graph are the types of cuisine on the horizontal axis and the number of preference on the vertical axis. From the graph, Malay cuisine is the most popular with a value of 81, while Italian and vegetarian cuisine are the least popular, both with a value of 15. In terms of comparison, Malay cuisine is significantly more popular than Western cuisine, with values of 81 compared to 40. Additionally, Thai cuisine is slightly more popular than Chinese cuisine, with values of 65 and 45 respectively. Overall, it can be seen that local cuisine are more preferred than other types of cuisine.
The pie chart shows eating out preference top 10 cuisine. The survey aims to investigate the most popular cuisine chosen by people when eating out. As you can see from the graph, Malay cuisine is the most popular choice while Italian and vegetarian are the least. It can be seen that nearly one-fifth, which is 19.9% of respondents, prefer Malay cuisine when eating out. Many people choose Malay food because it offers a combination of rich flavor with spices, cultural uniqueness, and nostalgic value, making it the most popular choice. Mamak cuisine accounts for approximately 1/6, which is 17.6% of preference because Mamak offer a combination of affordable price, fast service, and flexible 24 hours operating hour. Only less than 4%, which 3.7%, selected either vegetarian or Italian, highlighting that these two cuisines are the least favorite during respondent personal reference and culture norms. In conclusion, Malaysians prefer Malay cuisines when eating out.
In conclusion, graph and charts are useful in helping us understand the data more easily. They allow us to identify patterns, compare information, and see trends clearly. Bar graph, pie charts, and line graph each have their own function, but all of them help in presenting information in a simple, visual way. With the correct use of descriptive words and analysis, data can be explained more clearly and effectively. There's a saying that goes, the data speaks for itself, and it is our role to understand and explain its meaning.
And that is all from us. Thank you for watching.